Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are learning ayat number 82 and 83 of Surah Al-Ma'idah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لتجدن أشد الناس عداوة للذين آمنوا اليهود لا بالفتحة. Open your jaws, the sound is short. Ta is very sharp sound, no flow of sound. For fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. G for kasra, give E sound. Then for fatha, open jaws, attach with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. لتجدن and Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open jaws. Shed for fatha, open jaws, attach with dal. Dal will get shifa of shidda. There will be no flow of sound. Shed then, and then there will be gunna, and this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, and then it is 2 counts long. Si for kasra, give E sound. Ain from your throat. For fatha, open jaws, the sound is short. Da, 2 counts long. Wa, makhraj of waw circling your lips. For fatha, open jaws. Tal, this is idgham without gunna, so you're not keeping the sound in your nose at all. Tal, Dalil. For kasra, give E sound, attach it lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La for fatha, open jaws. The 2 counts long. Na for fatha, open jaws. 2 counts long. Ma for fatha, open jaws. The sound is short. Nul for dhamma, circle your lips. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position, and lam will get sifa of tawassut. Nul. Yeah. For yeah is soft. Fatha, open jaws. The sound is short. Who for dhamma, circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Da for fatha, open your jaws. Wa makhraj of waw is circling your lips. For fatha, open jaws, attach it lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Walla la for fatha, open jaws. The 2 counts long. Na for fatha, open jaws. Ash Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open jaws, attach it sheen. Sheen will get sifa of tafashi. Rakhawa, and it is light. Ash ra is heavy. Whenever ra has fatha, the might is heavy. Ku for dhamma, circle your lips, make it 2 counts long. Wa makhraj of waw, circling your lips. For fatha, open jaws. La tajidanna aqa. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open jaws, attach it qaf. Qaf gets sifa of qalqala. And qalqala is taba'ud, and you'll make qaf heavy too by lifting back of your tongue up. Aqa ra is heavy. For fatha, open jaws. Ba for fatha, open your jaws. Hum for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with meme. This meme, there is idgham shafawi, so you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. This is gunna akmal. Humma for fatha, open jaws, the sound is short. Wadda for makhraj of waw, circle your lips, attach with dal. Dal will get sifa of shidda. There should not be any flow of sound. Wadda Tel for fatha, open jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Lil for kasra, give E sound and then attach with lam. La for fatha, open your jaws. The 2 counts long. Na for fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. 2 counts long. Ma for fatha, open jaws. Nul for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La for fatha, open your jaws. The 2 counts long. Na for fatha, open jaws, the sound is short. Qaf is heavy. For the and make it 2 counts long and open your jaws for fatha. Lu. This is 4 counts long because this is mad munfasil jaiz. In Hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give E sound, attach it noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na 2 counts long. Na for fatha, open jaws, the sound is short. Sa is heavy. Make it 2 counts long. Ra is heavy. Make it 2 counts long. The, two counts long. Li, for kasra give E sound. Ka, for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. B, for kasra give E sound and attach, and sound is short. An, Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open jaws, attach it. Noon, noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is sakman, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Min, for kasra give E sound, attach it. Noon, noon will get sifa of tawassut, and hukmuhu idhar. Whom, for the circle ellipse attached with me will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound, and hukmuhu idhar. Qis, qaf is heavy, for kasra give E sound attached with seen will get sifa of rakhafa, and tafashi, and it is light. C, C, two counts long. C, two counts long. Na, for fatha when just the sound is short. Wa, makhraj of waw circling ellipse. For fatha when just uru. For dhamma circle ellipse. And make raw heavy. Attach it ha. As you will touch ha, your lips should be in a straight position. Uru. Ba, two counts long. Now, idgham. Idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Wa, for makhraj of wa, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. And hamza is very sharp, attach it. Noon will get sipa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, for fatha, open jaws. Hum, for the circle your lips, attach it. Mim, you will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound, and hukmuhu idhar. La, two counts long. Yes. Yes. Soft fatha open jaws attached with seen. Seen will get sifa of the rakhawa, and it is light, and it has safir. Safir means there should be a whistle sound in it. Yes. Tak, fatha open jaws attached with kaf. A kaf will get sifa of hums. Whenever kaf is with sukoon, it gets sifa of hums. Tak, B, focus right give E sound. Run. Because of this verb, you are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is mad adat sukun. لتجدن أشد الناس عداوة للذين آمنوا اليهود والذين أشركوا ولتجدن أقربهم مودة للذين آمنوا الذين قالوا إنا نصارى ذلك بأن منهم قسيسين ورهبان ذلك بأن منهم قسيسين ورهبانا ذلك بأنهم قسيسين ورهبانا وأنهم لا يستكبرون وإذا سمعوا مخرج فواو circle lips fatha on jaws E. Hamza is very sharp, focus to give E sound. The, two counts long. Se, for fatha on jaws, the sound is short. Me, focus to give E sound. Ru, for dhamma circle lips and make it two counts long. Ma, four counts long. Mad munfasil jais. For dhamma circle lips on Hamza, and Hamza is sharp. As you will touch ikhfa, your lips should be in a straight position. This ikhfa is light because za is among light letters. So keep your tongue straight to make this ikhfa. Z, la, Z, for kasra give E sound. La, for fatha open jaws. E, for kasra give E sound. La, lam is light, but as you will touch ra, ra will be heavy. La, ra. give tawassut first and then ra. Ra is heavy. Su for Dhamma, circle your lips, make it 2 counts long. Li for Kasra, give E sound. Ta for Fatha, open jaws, the sound is sharp and short. Ra. This is 4 counts long, and Ra is heavy because there is Fatha on it. And this is Mad Munfasil Jaiz. Hamza is very sharp. For Fatha, open your jaws, attach with Ain. Ain will get sifa of Tawassut, and Tawassut is medium flow of sound. U for Dhamma, circle your lips and make Ya light. Na for Fatha, open jaws. Hum for Dhamma, circle your lips, attach with me. We will get sifa of Tawassut, and Tawassut is medium flow of sound. Ta for Fatha, open jaws. Fi 2 counts long. Lu for Dhamma, circle your lips, make it short. Mi for Kasra, give E sound. Nad for Fatha, open jaws, attach with Dal. Dal will get sifa of Shidda, and Shidda is no flow of sound. Then for Fatha, open jaws, attach with Mim. Mim will get sifa of Tawassut. Ain from your throat. For Kasra, give E sound. Mim for Kasra, give E sound, attach with Mim. This is idgham this Zunna, which is um, Akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mimma, 2 counts long. Ain from your throat for Fatha, open jaws. Ra is heavy. For Fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. Fu, give hams on Fa for Dhamma, circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Fu, mi for Kasra, give E sound. Nal for Fatha, open jaws, attach it Lam. Lam will get sifa of Tawassut. Haq, for Fatha, open jaws, attach it Qaf. First Qaf will not get qalqala. But there are 2 Qaf here. One is attached with ha, and then the last one is with sukoon here because you are giving waqf. So the first one will not get qalqala, but the second will. Okay. Ha, the first one will get sifa of shidda. Ha, yeah, yeah, is soft. For Fatha, open jaws, the sound is short. Ooh, for Dhamma, circle your lips, make it 2 counts long. Lu, circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Na, for Fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. Rab, Ra is heavy. For Fatha, open your jaws, attach it Ba. Ba will get sifa Shidda, and Shidda means no flow of sound. Rab, for Fatha, open jaws. Na, Mad Munfasil Jais, so make it 4 counts long. 2 counts long. Man for Fatha, open jaws, attach it. Noon will get sifa of Gunna. This Gunna is Akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, 2 counts long. Fek, give hums in Fa. For Fatha, open jaws, attach it Kaf. Kaf will get sifa of hums. And hums is flow of breath. Tube, for Dhamma, circle your lips, attach with me. Ba, Ba will get sifa of Qalqala. And Qalqala is taba'ud. Tube, na, 2 counts long. Ma, for Fatha, open jaws. Ash, Ain from your throat. For Fatha, open jaws, attach with Shin. Shin will get sifa of Raqawa and Tafashi, and it is light. Ash, ja, 2 counts long. He, for Kasra, give E sound. Deen, because of Waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is Madarat al-Sukoon. وَإِذَا سَمِعُوا مَا أُنزِلَ إِلَى الرَّسُولِ وَإِذَا سَمِعُوا مَا أُنزِلَ إِلَى الرَّسُولِ تَرَى أَعْيُنُهُمْ وَإِذَا سَمِعُوا مَا أُنزِلَ إِلَى الرَّسُولِ ترى أعينهم تفيض من الدمع مما عرفوا من الحق يقولون ربنا آمنا فاكتبنا مع الشاهدين. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.